The quote, attract what you expect, means in English, you tend to draw into your life the things you focus on and genuinely expect. A positive attitude, confidence, and consistent efforts can help create positive opportunities. ଏହାର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଆଶା କରନ୍ତି ତାହାକୁ ନିଜ ଜୀବନରେ ଆକର୍ଷିତ କରନ୍ତି। ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ସକାରାତ୍ମକ ଚିନ୍ତାଧାରା, ଆତ୍ମବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଓ ନିରନ୍ତର ପ୍ରୟାସ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ସୁଯୋଗ ଏବଂ ଭଲ ଫଳାଫଳ ପାଇବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରେ। Keep in mind that this is an inspirational saying, not a guarantee that simply expecting something will make it happen. Expectations are most helpful when they are paired with action. Thanks.